Hi, it's Laura here at the Charleston Holistic Center. When the walls of your life tremble, when the familiar begins to fall away, it's easy to think something's gone wrong. But upheaval can be sacred. Every tremor is truth asking to move. Every crack is light searching for a way in. The soul knows what it's doing. It dismantles the false so the real can emerge. So instead of clinging to what's falling, place your hand on your heart. Feel the rhythm beneath the rumble and whisper, I trust the rebuild already unfolding. Because what feels like an ending is often the ground clearing for your next beginning. Thank you and namaste.